Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will talk about one of the most important IT trends, which is augmented reality and virtual reality, because I know how much these two concepts useful for me as a future teacher to reach my classrooms by using these two concepts. But to have advanced information about augmented reality and virtual reality, we will talk with IT expert to help us to know more details or deeply understanding augmented reality and virtual reality. But first of all, I will show for you what I have about these two concepts. First of all, the definition of augmented reality. AR is a field of computer research which deals with the combination between real world and computer generated data. Of augmented reality. As we can see here in this picture, it shows for us head-mounted display (HMD), which is this is a special device. We wear it in our heads, and using these special glasses, we have to wear it in our eyes since 1968 to have 3D display. What about the history of augmented reality? We can use the same idea of HMD, but new versions in Army, also an Turing machine, as we can see in these two pictures, since 1993 until 2000. Augmented reality have three characteristics. What is the characteristics of augmented reality? First one combines real and virtual objectives in real environment. Second one, the interactive happen in real time. Last one aligns real and virtual objectives with each other. To know more about augmented reality interactions, we will hear from the IT expert.
Thank you, Dion, for having me. I am Abdullah. I'm a technical analyst. So we're talking about augmented reality. Augmented reality has a lot of examples, or real examples, apps. Now, to start interaction with AR, you will need a computer, of course. In this case, a computer is like laptop, a PC, a smartphone, or a tablet. And of course, there is also a lot of examples, just like smart glasses, which we briefly talked. So, maybe a lot of you know Google Glass. So, if we can see the picture of the glass, you can see it's like a normal glass, but it's not quite like the normal glass. So, Google Glass here use AR. A screen or visual screen in front of you when you wear it, which you can, and it functions like a hands-free on your smartphone, where you can control the camera, internet mobile browsers, calendar charts, or any other apps with a voice command. So it just like recognize your voice to have a certain rules or commands to the smartphone. Of AR, one of the mainly used one is the GPS, app in the smartphone, where it can give you on time and real data about where you are, your directions, where you're heading to, the traffic, estimate time. This is one of the widely used applications that use AR. Also, live sports events. It's a very good example of AR, where you can see in a football game, maybe you can when the player just has a free kick, you can see how far is he from the goal. Is there any like free spaces he can shoot at? The wind, a lot of data in real time that use AR. There are a lot of other apps that use AR, which are like HP Reveal. HP Reveal at least one create animations and comics with your own photo. Although it shut down recently, this app, but there's a lot of alternative apps for it. Cross-based education also is widely used in schools around the world, where kids also can add like virtual content on their videos or photos. Scope also just same like Space, but also it's an iOS application actually, where kids can also like uh, create extraordinary stories inside their videos. A lot of examples. One of the most used also Snapchat, where it applies on filters, videos, and photos. Thank you, Eva. I hope this gives you like a brief example of interactions with AR.
Thank you so much for the all useful information about AR. But what about virtual reality? The definition of virtual reality (VR) technology is completely immersed a user inside a synthetic environment. While immersed, the user cannot see the real world around him or her. What is the differences between AR and VR? The main difference or differences between VR and AR, the uses of devices or the devices required, and the experience itself. AR uses in real world environment. We have to be in school, in mall, in the street, but VR is entirely virtual. VR requires headset, but AR can access through just smartphone. Um, Last one, which is AR enhance both virtual and actual worlds, but VR only enhance fictional reality. The basic features of VR can be summarized with three I's: immersion, interaction, imagination. Immersion, what is the meaning of it or what is the idea of it? A computer generated virtual environment and the ability to obtain sensation, sensation identical. Uh, Second one, interaction. What is the idea of interaction? A term used to describe how a user can communicate with multidimensional virtual information spaces. Last one, which is imagination, the user's ability to envision future success in a simulated environment. Now, let me hear from the expert more about VR.
Well, hi again. So we talked a lot about AR interactions, example apps, but when we talk about VR, there's a very important use for VR, which is, as you can see here, for operations, surgeries, for doctors. It's very important and a lot of use from VR. Another thing, which is flight simulators. Flight simulators can help in education of flights, which is also commonly used since a long time in this industry. So when we're talking about advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality, the advantages is way more, where you can create a reality story. This is in your videos, in your phone, in your glasses, in a lot of aspects. You can explore places you never do just from your home. Uh, you can also apply experiments with an artificial environment where you can just for science, for laboratories, for a lot of aspects also, or industries. And one of the best advantages of VR is it makes educational and education more easily, more transferable, maybe more enjoyable. When we talk about the disadvantages of VR, which is it's really expensive, the equipment to apply or to implement any VR software or hardware. It consists of a very complex technology where you can rarely find like some developer to work or implement VR. I hope this was good and useful for you. Best of luck. Thank you.
At the end, I want just to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can or you have all the information about augmented reality and virtual